Hello friends, continuing from last lecture, I am working with the same data set. So, if you want to display the details of customers who belongs to Southern India, how we can identify who are in Southern India, who are the customers who belongs to Southern India. Let me say they are state Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala. Let there is a state Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana. Not Tamil Nadu again. Here I wrote it by mistake. I'm changing it. See, who those belongs to Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, and Kerala are from southern India. So, what what is the way? How should I define it? So, we can write a query on simple way. Writing is a query. Select star from cus dimension where state is equal to Tamil Nadu or Karnataka or Kerala or Telangana. Here we can mention where state is equal to Tamil Nadu or Karnataka or Kerala or Telangana and semicolon. So that will be a little cumbersome writing like this. So what we will do, SQL has a operator which is known as in operator, in which we will write it down. Select star from cus dimension where state in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, Kerala. Both query will have same meaning, but this is the beautiful way to write it down. How to write it down? If any of the state that belongs to, then we want to see the details of that customer, all the details of that customer from the state. Then so this is essentially membership. So this is in operator. Those who are familiar with set theory, this is essentially a membership in the set. It will satisfy that particular query if the state belong to contain one of those elements, which means in the particular case, we specify that what are the members of the set by separating comma. So here are specified Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana and Kerala all separated with by comma. One more thing I want to mention here that it is a common mistake. Then whenever you are working with a string, you don't put semicolon. So it's mandatory you should use semicolon. You can these you can not semicolon. These are quotation marks. You can put single quotation mark or double quotation mark. It is up to you. So if I execute this query, it is going to display the details of those customer who belongs to one of the four states. So this is a useful in operator. Now I'm going to run this query. What we will do, we will select it and we will execute it. Then you can see here are the states. If you go below, you can see that there are four states. We have details of all kinds of Hyderabad, Telangana, and Kochi. So we can have the details of all the customer details, all details of the customer for these particular for these four states. So this is also there is also a negation operator, which means not is not equal to. That is known as negation operator. So in our next query, if I want to display the details of all known small business customer who don't have small business, what I will write down, what you should write down, select star from table name where customer segment is not equal to. Where customer segment is not equal to. It is known as negation operator. So if I will run this particular query, You will find out the details. It will contain all the customers. You can have office, corporate, and many more, but it will not contain where segment is small business. So far, we have looked in the filter condition, which are based upon strings. So if you want to express any condition which can have numerical attribute, how to write it down numerical attribute in our query? How to do that? Till now we have used in where clause all the string kind of values. So we can have numerical operator can be applied on those on these attributes. So what are the orders which are causing me losses? If I want to check the losses, which are the orders which are causing me losses? So I will express my query on market factful, which is got an attribute called profit. I will express a filter condition which says profit is less than 0. This says profit is less than 0. So if I want to express this, how it write down? Select order ID and profit from table name where profit is less than 0. Order ID is unique for each and every order. Maybe customer name may be same for different kind of order. So we have to select order ID which is unique for every order. Maybe if a single customer ordering multiple things, one order is profitable and another one is not. Then you have to select the value here, attribute here, which you want to show. You have to be very careful in selecting here. As I already mentioned you, it looks like simple, but it's not simple for complex queries. Till now we are using simple queries. So select order ID, select profit from market factful where profit is less than 0. So if I execute this one, what it will show? It will show the value where profit is in negative, where profit value is in negative. So you can use different relational operator here. Negative means where profit is not there, where losses are there. So these are the order ID which are causing by these are the orders which are the reason of losses or which don't have any kind of profit. Here question may be for different types. So you may use here different type of operators like greater than, like equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So you can use a more and more operator on this table market factful. I will suggest you personally, please go and use market factful for different kind of operators. So you will learn how to write it down and what is the beauty behind this, how to use this. So please go and practice in operator and negation operator and relational operator. I hope you understood the use of in, negation and less than, greater than, all this. How to use. Please go for more and more practice. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.